Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jan Malmgren. I'm a photographer, ecologist and writer. So it's late summer here in southern Sweden, and today is a really warm day, about 27 degrees, and the sky is almost all clear, just some scattered clouds in the horizon. The last couple of episodes I've made has been quite arduous to produce. There's been a lot of demonstration, filters and the tilt and shift lens. And I longed for just going out in the woods or going out along the coastline, just me and my camera, just, handheld, trying to get some nice photos. So this will happen today. I have my GFX 100 Mark II with me, and I have mounted the 20 to 35 millimeter wide angle zoom. And it's a good combination when you're out in the woods. With this wide angle zoom, you can't get very close to your subjects, but it compensates for that by being so sharp and also so good when you're trying to get landscape shots. And today I will try to let the photographs do the talking. So I hope you find this interesting and join me for a few minutes here and have a nice time. I will also try to do some handheld filter photos today. I brought along the Haida M10 version 2 filter, and I have some soft grads, you know, the ND graduated filters. So we'll see how that goes. It's a pretty nice day, but the sky is very bright and the foreground is a bit darker, so that makes for a good combination when you have some graduated filters with you. I didn't bring my coffee today, but I have my bottle of water, so that will do. I must also take the opportunity to thank you all for subscribing, liking and commenting. It's nice to know that I have a little group of followers out there, and I really enjoy chatting with you in the comment section. This channel and these episodes is made for you. It is my interest in photography, sharing it with you, and hopefully I get some followers who enjoy the same kind of photography that I do and find the content that I do interesting. So I am truly grateful for your support. And if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and like and comment as usual. See you!